discussing the topic of support system and accessories, the RDC disc, rotation disc system. Male disc is on the holster, while a female disc will sit on your support, whether it is your belt loop, it can be on your leg harness, or even, if needed, on a Molle system, such as this one, a W Molle system, very compact Molle system. How it works: you take the holster with the male disc, insert it from the bottom into the female disc, and press. Now your holster is locked in. So you have it on your belt and it's locked in. There are two levers on each side that will work in order to release up, and you can then move it towards your, maybe you have your Molle vest with your W Molle support. You put in your holster and it's now ready. Again, you press the two side levers simultaneously and take it out. The rotation system is given by a central lever that is pushed down, and you can just rotate your holster 360 degrees as much as you wanted. So in general, it is possible to have my holster sitting straight like this on my belt. I can then sit down and turn it around if I want to, or I can remove it and then put it on my chest rig and turn it and be ready. All these accessories plus the RDC system, you can find them on our catalog or on our website, www.radar1957.com.